Hello, today we're going to talk about making an open pocket in Mastercam working with solid files. So we have our part here and our stock set up, and we're all ready to create toolpaths. So the first toolpath we're going to do, and there's probably several ways to do this. This is the easiest way that I find to do this, is we're going to go to toolpaths and we're going to select an area mill. For an open pocket, it's easiest to use an area mill. So in our first thing we need to select is our region to be machined. So if you click on the little arrow, now this area is a little different than when you create something in Mastercam than when you're working with solid files. You notice you have 3D and you have these various options to choose. You can choose a single edge, you can choose linked edges, you can choose a face, you can choose a face from the back side, you can choose partial loops, or you can choose a full loop. In this situation, we are going to use the face. So if you select the face, and notice how it highlights blue. We want to unselect the loop and just have the face. So we're going to select this face right here to be machined. And the direction of the green arrows is okay. So we're going to hit OK. Now, if we left it like this, it would machine off this little cylinder in the middle. We don't want that to happen, so we need to select an avoidance region. So if we select the avoidance region, and again, uncheck everything that's highlighted except for the face, and we'll select the face of that avoidance. And hit OK. Now there's one more thing that we need to select. We want to select an air region, which is going to allow the pocket to fully develop. Otherwise, in this area you'd have the radius of the cutter. In this corner you'd have the radius of the cutter. But we actually want it to be an open pocket, so we want it to machine out into the air a little bit. So we can select this air region, and for this one we just want the edge. So we can unhighlight the other ones and we'll just select this edge right here. And we can change the direction on that and hit OK. Okay, we should be all set with our chains now, so we can click OK on that. And for this we're going to use a 1/4 inch end mill. So we're going to select our library tool. And we're going to select a 1/4 inch flat end mill. Now in our cut perimeters, if we're going to do a finished pass, we can leave some material on the walls or leave material on the floors in case we're just roughing this out. So we're going to leave 0. Everything else looks okay. And we're also going to enable depth of cuts. I'm going to do 1/8 inch depth of cuts. So that should be okay. And then in transitions, we're actually going to do a ramp instead of a helix. And in our linking perimeters, I, as a habit, like to change everything to absolute. Incremental can be dangerous sometimes. So if I can use absolute, I'll use absolute programming. And we're going to have a final depth of 1/4 inch. And we just want to make sure we turn our coolant on. Okay. Alright, so you can see how this generates our toolpath for an open pocket. It avoids the little cylinder in the middle, and it actually comes out past the edge of the part, so we don't have those little corner radiuses in there. And we'll just verify the operation. Alright, you can see we have our nice little open pocket. Thanks for watching.